Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate performance tracking with Monday.com, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate performance tracking with Monday.com, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Create a new board by clicking on the New Board button. Choose a template or start from scratch based on your project needs. Once the board is created, define the columns relevant to your performance metrics. Consider adding columns like task name, status, due date, and performance metrics. Next, add your team members to the board for collaboration. Click on the Invite button at the top right corner and enter their email addresses. Now, it's time to set up the automation. Click on the Automations button located in the upper right corner of your board. Browse through the available automation recipes or search for specific ones using the search bar. Select an automation that fits your performance tracking needs, such as when a status changes to something, notify someone. Customize the auto. After setting up the automation, test it to ensure it works as intended. Return to your board and start adding tasks or projects to track their performance. As team members update their task statuses, the automation will trigger notifications automatically. To visualize performance metrics, integrate dashboard widgets. Click on Dashboards in the left sidebar and create a new dashboard. Add widgets like charts or graphs that provide insights into your tracked data. Link your board data to the dashboard widgets for real-time updates. Regularly review and adjust your performance tracking setup as needed. Make use of the reporting features in Monday.com for deeper insight. Explore the Analytics section to analyze trends over time. Finally, engage your team in performance discussions based on the data gathered. Your automated performance tracking system is now up and running, helping you manage your projects more efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.